Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gardening knife is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your gardening arsenal, seamlessly blending functionality and precision for all your gardening needs, from transplanting delicate seedlings to harvesting ripe fruits and vegetables. This video will guide you through the essential features to look for when choosing the perfect gardening knife, helping you make an informed decision to elevate your gardening experience. Number 5. NISAKU NJP 650 Hori Knife. This exceptional gardening tool is crafted with the finest Japanese stainless steel, ensuring superior quality and durability. It's made in Japan, known for its precision and craftsmanship. You can trust it to perform flawlessly for years to come. Planting at the right depth is easy thanks to the inch markings on the blade. Precise planting leads to healthier growth. It's more than just a weeding knife. Use it for gardening, landscaping, or even camping. It's incredibly versatile. The blade is rust and scratch resistant, staying razor sharp for all your tasks. It's built to last. With a comfortable wood handle and perfectly weighted design, it's a pleasure to use. Enjoy effortless gardening. What we like? It's made of high-quality Japanese stainless steel, ensuring its durability and sharpness. The blade's dual edges make it perfect for various gardening tasks. If you value quality and versatility in your gardening tools, this is the one for you. What people say. The shape and sturdiness made digging pretty easy and surprisingly quick. The sawing side of my Tori will not only saw, but chop like a champ. It's very sharp, looks and feels durable, and really helps with weeding, precise edging, slicing through challenging root balls. Number 4. Fiskars Hori Knife. Introducing the Fiskars Hori Knife, your new go-to tool for all your gardening needs. It's durable, versatile, and will make all your gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. This dual-edged knife offers both power and precision. The serrated blade effortlessly saws through tough roots, while the pointed end makes weeding a breeze. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to withstand years of use. You'll appreciate its long-lasting sharpness and durability. With its comfortable, ergonomic handle, you can work longer without fatigue. It's designed to help you cultivate a better garden with less effort. It comes with a protective sheath and a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence. From weeding and planting to digging and transplanting, it's the only tool you'll need for a variety of gardening tasks. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like? This tool boasts an ergonomic design to reduce fatigue during extended use. It's built to withstand heavy-duty gardening tasks and comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a comfortable and long-lasting Hori knife, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Has all the right stuff, especially a useful serrated edge and a great sheath. The fork tip is handy for prying sturdy roots loose, and is durable enough that I'm not concerned it will weaken the tip. The stainless steel blade is permanently molded into the plastic handle, and by using a magnet it seems that the tang extends just past 3/4 of the way down, stops at the orange part. Number 3. Folding Garden Knife. This versatile tool is perfect for any gardening enthusiast. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store. The unique curved blade is ideal for a wide variety of tasks. It's perfect for pruning, weeding, and more. From delicate trimming to tougher jobs, it handles them all with ease. You'll find it indispensable in your garden. It's a practical tool for various outdoor activities. It's also surprisingly useful around the house. Give the gift of practicality and versatility. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. Built to last, it's a reliable companion for all your gardening needs. You can depend on it time and time again. What we like? Its unique folding design with a hawkbill blade makes it incredibly versatile and portable. It's perfect for various tasks and easy to store. If you need a compact and convenient gardening knife, this is ideal. Number 2. Hori Garden Knife. It's made from high-quality 8CR14 MOV steel, ensuring it's both wear-resistant and sharp. The handle is comfortable, durable, and won't slip, making it perfect for any gardening task. This knife features both a knife edge and a serrated edge, allowing you to tackle various gardening jobs with ease. You can cut through thick roots, remove weeds, and even cut open mulch bags. It delivers quality performance, whether you're working in clay or rocky soil. The blade stays sharp and won't deform, even under tough conditions. The blade has 6 graduations for accurate measurement of soil depth and fertilizer application, promoting healthy plant growth. It also includes a protective sheath. The sheath can be easily attached to your waist or removed for one-handed use. It's also lightweight and easy to carry around your garden. The blade sits flush with the handle, preventing slippage and protecting your hands. A hanging loop allows for safe storage, keeping it away from children. We offer a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This knife is incredibly sharp and durable, thanks to its high-quality steel and reinforced handle. Its versatile design is perfect for a wide range of gardening tasks. If you need a reliable and robust tool for all your gardening needs, this is a great option. What people say. Since I bought this knife for me, I have purchased one for my sister and 2 for friends. Great root digger. I use it to dig roots, loosen dirt around plants, dig holes for planting. It replaces so many of my other garden tools. What a great gardening tool this knife is. I have been wanting to divide a lot of plants but had no adequate tool, so I ordered this knife, and it slices through the dirt roots of plants as slick as butter. The 7 blade is ultra sharp with a point that could probably plunge through almost anything. The weight isn't hefty but a respectable 12 ounces. The beaded handle, gear ring hilt, and etched increments on the blade help, as you saw, cut through, or into anything in the garden, at the depth you want. Number 1. DALSTRONG Hori Knife. This versatile tool combines the functionality of a trowel and a knife, making gardening easier than ever. Its unique design and high-quality materials ensure lasting performance. It features a razor-sharp edge on one side, perfect for precise cutting, and a serrated edge on the other for tackling tougher tasks like weeding. Convenient measurements along the blade help with planting depth. The blade is crafted from imported high-carbon German steel, known for its exceptional strength and durability. The hand-polished edge ensures a clean, efficient cut every time. The handle is made from ultra-durable G10 garolite, offering military-grade strength and resistance to heat, moisture, and scratches. It's also incredibly easy to clean. A custom-fit ABS sheath with leather straps keeps it secure and easily accessible. Ventilation holes help prevent moisture buildup and extend the life of the blade. It's perfect for a wide range of gardening tasks, from planting and transplanting to weeding and digging. It's also great for camping and other outdoor activities. This knife is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust the DALSTRONG difference. What we like. Made from high-carbon German steel, it offers exceptional durability and sharpness. The handle is ultra-durable and easy to clean. It also comes with a protective sheath. If you prioritize quality materials and a convenient carrying solution, this is the Hori for you. What people say. The double-edged blade is sharp and durable, and the measurements along the blade make it easy to calculate planting depth. The handle is also very comfortable to hold and easy to clean. The thick German steel allows you to dig in just about any type of soil. The sharp blade edge and serrated edge cut through roots with ease. It is extremely well made and sturdy. I am not worried about it bending or breaking in the hard clay soil at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.